Today is April 13th, 2001, and we're going to pause for a moment. All right, we are resuming the videotaping of what was the accounts payable area. We're entering the door, which is at the east end of the room, and we're looking up, showing the ceiling area prior to any remodeling. Now facing in a northerly direction near the entrance door. Coming back around to a westerly direction, showing the covered shaftway. Moving up to the westerly portion of the room, around the west side of the shaft, again moving toward a northerly direction. Turning back around to an easterly direction. We'll walk toward the entrance door. We'll begin with the west side of bar joist of the number 335.
How are you today? You come by another time. Just have to all be at once.
Okay, next time. Will
Okay.
do.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Now we're moving to bar joist 337, and we will cover it from north to south. And we'll move to the east side of 337. Now we'll look at it from south to north. And we'll come up to 339. Covering from north to south. We'll do the west side of 341, covering from south to north. The east side, I apologize. We'll go to the west side of 341, covering from north to south. And we'll go to the east side of 343, covering from south to north. And we'll move down to the east-west bar joist number 407, cover the south side. Continuing further east. Continuing further. We're coming to the east side of 339, shown at the left of the frame. This is shown outside the room, the east partition wall. And we'll come back up to the west end of the room, showing bar joist. I apologize, same bar joist 407 on the east side, the north side, covering from east to west, from west to east. The west to east is accurate. And we will come back up to the west end of the room. And we'll cover the south side of 409, covering from west to east. and it terminates at column 343. And we'll go to the east side, 409. And we'll come around to 411, which is a short piece. Looking at the south side. Moving in a little bit of the north side. I will pause momentarily. We're now showing beam at 408 on the west side. Continuing in a westerly direction. And it terminates on the west side of the shaftway. We'll go to the north side of the beam. We'll come to the south side of 410. Following up to the shaftway. We'll pause for a moment. We're now showing the the deck electrical cell east of 341. In the absence of fireproofing. Now we are at the cell opposite the shaftway, and we are proceeding in a northerly direction. And we'll move further to the east and show the next cell in this area that is absent of any fireproofing. Now we have a minimal coverage, or a small amount of coverage. Moving further to the south. And this is all east of 339. We will pause. That will conclude the videotaping this day, April 13th, 2001.